Hello friends, in this video I want to share few important points about the face mask. Nowadays almost all are using but they are not following the proper method while wearing and removing the mask. If you follow proper method, definitely it will act as a protective barrier and protects from many diseases. If not following the proper method, instead of protective, it may create many problems in the society. First I will start with the structure of the face mask. It's important to know the structure, then only you will come to know the importance of following the proper method. If you see this one, you may think that it's a single layer, but in reality it's not so. It is made up of 3 layers. I will demonstrate. I cut one face mask into 2 pieces for the demonstration purpose. Now you can see 3 layers. Outer one is blue in color. That means outer layer is always made up of colorful material, which is a waterproof. It prevents or it will not absorb any liquid materials from the environment. So it will help to prevent from micro droplets or some microorganisms. Middle layer it is white in color. It is made up of medical filter paper. It will not allow any microorganisms to enter inside, and it will prevent the microorganisms to enter the environment also. Inner layer is made up of high quality soft cotton material. It is white in color. It is as a cotton material. It will easily absorb the liquid particles. The micro droplets or any liquid particles coming from our mouth or nose while coughing, sneezing or talking, so that microorganisms or micro droplets it should not spread in the surrounding area. This is nose clip or nose bridge. It is a small metal piece or made up of PVC material. This is an elastic loop which helps to hold the face mask in proper position. Some companies they will provide strap instead of loop. They will provide strap. That's not a matter. First we should know how to position the mask. I will show. As the colorful material or colorful layer, it is an outer layer, it should face outwards. White layer, inner layer, it should face towards us. Nose clip, it should be at the top. Ear loops, both ear loops should be at the side. Then this is the position. Nose clip should be up and loops are at the side. Outer surface, that is colorful layer, faces towards outside. Okay. After knowing the position, then how to wear with proper method. You should wash your hands before wearing, or you can sanitize the hands. Hands should be clean before wearing. It's important. Now you can take the one face mask by holding the one loop. You should not touch here and there. If after lifting, place it over the other hand so that the outer layer should touch the hand. Inner layer should be clean, because inner layer will it will come in contact with the mouth and nose directly. So we should avoid touching. Then place over the face, hold like this. Take one loop and place over the ear. Then repeat it for the other loop also. Now gently press over the clip, contour it properly so that it should not slip down. Then hold the lower part of the mask, pull gently so that it should cover entire mouth and nose. Now position the mask properly so that it should cover entire nose and mouth. There should not be any gap. This is how to wear. Then how to remove. While removing also we should follow some important things. That is, we should not touch the outer surface, as the outer surface becomes contaminated after use. Then how to remove. Hold both loops, gently pull, then remove like this. After removing, you should follow some important methods to dispose. It's important. We should not dispose here and there. If you throw here and there, as it is a contaminated or infected one, it will spread many diseases in the community. Because of our small mistake or negligence, it will create many problems in the society. So we should take some care while disposing also. This is about the surgical face mask. How to wear and how to remove. If someone is not wearing in proper position or not following the proper method, if they are wearing inside a layer as a outer and outer layer as a inner layer, what will happen? I will tell that one. If the outer layer faces towards us, as it is waterproof layer, it will not absorb the secretions coming from our mouth and nose. Then what will happen? Those particles, those liquid particles or secretions, they will spread in the surrounding area. In that way, they will spread many diseases in the community. So it's very important to follow. Then what about the outer one? Now real inner surface, that is now the real inner layer becomes the outer one, which is a soft cotton material. It will easily absorb the particles from the environment, even dust particles, micro droplets, any liquid droplets, any microorganisms. It will hold all the things easily. So it is opposite to the protective action. We should remember these things. Then what about the nose clip? If they are not wearing the nose clip top, then what will happen? If they are not wearing the nose clip at the top, face mask will not stay at the proper position. It will slip down easily. So sometimes it will cover only the mouth. It will not cover the nose. So it's important to follow the proper method and proper position. This is about the surgical mask. Now I will tell about the N95 mask. First we will see the parts of the N95 mask, and after that I will show you how to use it properly. This is outer layer. There is a metal clip, that is nose clip. This is upper elastic strap. This one is lower elastic strap. Inner layer, there is nose pad. After knowing the parts, hold the means you should know the position, how to hold. This nose clip should be up, as I already told. Same thing for the N95 mask also. Then how to wear it properly without touching the inner surface. Same thing you have to repeat. You should wash your hands or sanitize so that your hands should be clean. Then hold the mask with the only one strap. Most of the times try to hold the upper one, lift it, then insert your other hand into the lower strap and hold the outer surface. Place the mask over the face, then take the upper loop, place it over the head. It should stay just above the ear. Then take the other loop, place it over the nape of neck. Then gently press over the nose clip, contour it properly, adjust the position of the mask so that it should fit properly. There should not be any gap Then what is the proper method to remove? Now I told about the proper method to wear. Then what is the proper method to remove? As I already told, we should not touch the outer surface. In this N95 mask, one more step is there to follow. While wearing, we start with the upper loop. While removing, we should start with the lower loop. This is important. Now I will hold the lower loop, pulling it gently and remove like this. Now hold the upper one, pull gently and remove like this. After removing, you should not touch here and there. Then dispose it properly. This is how to wear the surgical and N95 mask properly and remove also. I think this is helpful for everyone.